What's going on, guys? Welcome to the... Imagine if I actually started intros like that, bro. What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today... Nah, bro. Just kidding. Nah, but what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are today going to be installing a very simple mod that I recently purchased. It's been here since the 8th, bro. It's the fucking 15th. So that just tells you how lazy I am. And, but it's been raining, so that's the main reason why too. It's been raining lately. But now we're gonna wash the car, give it a little quick little washy, and then we're gonna slap the little pieces in. You'll see, we'll unbox it right now. I need to go get it. It's upstairs. Just came back from work and the bank. So now here we are with 4:30 p.m. We had no fucking light, man. No light. So we're gonna have to just rush it like this. Just kidding, now, but we're gonna have to wash the car pretty fast. It's not gonna be a great wash. If my coworkers see this, don't be mad that I'll show up to work tomorrow because I'm sick. But we gotta get the car ready because we're going to LA tomorrow. Universal. We're gonna pull up with my girl. Little Christmas gift for me to her, kind of thing going on. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I have my tripod in the back. I'm gonna have to take it out. But let me go get the box so we can show you guys what product we bought for the car. Finally, a new mod that's affordable. But next, for sure, tint. For sure, that's the next thing. Because holy shit, look at this. Dude, that car probably, I don't know if that car just passed by. But, yeah, guys, we're going to go ahead and get that real quick. Yeah, let's go ahead and go do that. Turn off the car. But yeah, guys, that's about it, really. So, guys, I'm going to have to move my girl's car, too. But, yeah, it's a little simple mod that we're getting. The car looks fucking amazing right now for some reason. But it's been raining. I haven't washed my car since it's rained. It's rained twice. Doesn't look too bad, but the inside of the barrels are like almost purely black for the most part. But I wash my car literally every chance I get. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. You can tell it's not actually not even that bad. Oh, not really. But we got a new mod, guys. This is the mod, the Tomei license plate. All right, guys, this is the end of the video. You guys take care. That's it. I'm dipping. It's over. Later. Guys, I swear, these little Corollas, man, they got some fucking VTEC or some shit, dude, because you barely tap the gas and bang, you start speeding. You can't even see my feet, bro. But I'm just not trying to expose anyone's license plate or address, because then you all know where I live and track me down, vandalize my car. Look at it. Look at the cinematic view. Like, come on now. Alright, let me go ahead and show you guys the box. We got the box right here. Let me go ahead and set up properly so we can get the car ready to wash. I'm just going to scoot it over just a little bit, and then we'll go ahead and get started. Alright, guys. Damn, I'm barely in frame, bro. But here's the box. Little box. Not really the best angle, if I'm being honest. I'm probably like zoomed in or something. Oh, nope, I guess that's max frame. Okay, anyway, we got the box. I'll go ahead and open it for you guys. I kind of slid it open. I'm kind of getting this YouTube shit down for real. But sponsor, Subi Speed, FTS Speed, please, FT Speed, Subi Speed. Somebody, please sponsor the car, bro. I can't do this anymore, man. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this. Boom. Let's see what we got, man. Let's see what we got. We gotta open it right over here in frame. Double cheeked up on a Tuesday. There's the bubble wrap. So, ladies and gentlemen, here it is. The item. Honestly, yeah. Let me get in a better angle. Now that we readjusted, we got just bubble wrap. This thing that slipped out of the damn packaging, but it is the 3M tape that they gave us. This, and to finally reveal the product. It's gonna show. We got that motherfucking carbon fiber. Is it even showing? Bro, I feel like a psychopath talking outside. But we got the carbon fiber mirror caps. They're just little simple piece that we have going on. Yeah, that just gets slapped on the side mirror piece. We got one, and the second piece. Shoot. Right over here. Number 2. Yeah, guys, it's gonna hopefully make the car pop a little bit. But we're just gonna go ahead and set up for a car wash real quick, and then we'll slap these on. Alright guys, ignore the random ass camera angles, bro. I'm just trying to make it look professional. Alright, anyway. So I think this is just enough. It's just trying to focus on the car. But yeah, I don't know why it looks like this, bro. Don't gas me, but we're just gonna do our thing, you know what I'm saying? I'm kind of a pro at this, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, yeah, we're just gonna rinse down the car now. It's gonna be a little car wash montage going on. But yeah, we should be good. Like this should be fine. But let's go ahead and do that real quick. Honestly, what I've learned, you cannot be ashamed of doing YouTube. You cannot. So if my neighbor's watching, I know where you live, man. Literally. Do you guys know what the worst part about all this? Look how fucking good that car looks. And you're not gonna sponsor me, bro? Look at this. Wow. Nice. Anyway, I know I'm not getting sponsored, man. But anyways, back to the actual video. Guys, you know what the worst part about this is? This is gonna focus, bro. It is 46 degrees outside at fucking 5 o'clock. And guess what? It is going to be fucking absolutely freezing. So, what that means, tomorrow I'm gonna wake up with a freaking frozen car. Or see, I probably just got the best angle, bro. What are my frames? What is this recording at? Is this auto video? Are you shitting me? But anyway, yeah, just open this down. Honestly, just ignore what I said about this. It's actually a really good product, bro. I'm just bitching, complaining because I'm broke. Alright guys, now I know some of you might be wondering, Jared, do you really wash your car like that? Yes, mother... No, I'm just kidding. Imagine. No, I do not. I actually scrub it, but it is freezing outside and I'm not about to wet my hands, bro. And we're running out of daylight, as you guys can see. There's no light, bro. So, yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and speed wash one more time and then dry it off and we'll be done. There's not really a montage. I'm kind of running out of lights. I can't get as many clips as I want. So, I'm just kind of not really BSing the video because it's never BS, bro. If it's not from the heart, I ain't posting it. Better believe it, for real. Alright guys, you guys can see the car is now fully washed. I just need to dry it really quick. 5:14, 15 minutes, really quick wash. You guys want to see a pretty sick picture I took? It's a pretty nice picture if you ask me. Pretty nice picture. I believe it's gonna fucking pretty sick. But we're just gonna dry the car now. Alright guys, so we don't have the best lighting, but here are again the carbon pieces that we have. Someone's over here texting me. Pretty nice, high quality carbon pieces for sure from 86 speed. Thank you guys again for... Oh! Goddamn! But thanks again for sending it quickly. I honestly got it quick. And then we got the TN tape, 3M tape, sorry. I honestly don't know how I'm gonna tape it, if I'm being fair. I was thinking, worst lighting ever too. Sorry, it doesn't help that it's super dark out, or in the garage too. I was thinking of taping it all the way around, then one strip tape here. Hopefully that works. We're gonna have to do that right now, so we'll go ahead and do that, and then hopefully it fits perfectly because the car is dry now. So I'm gonna have to drive it around for a little bit for it to not fully freeze, to take off all the little water beads or whatever. But yeah, let's go ahead and put the tape on. Alright guys, almost done. Almost done. Be honest, let me ask this question. How do you guys dry your vehicles? Do you guys dry horizontally or do you dry vertically? I had a couple of people telling me you gotta dry vertically because you gotta go with the flow of the car. And I'm like, flow of the car, but I'm just washing the damn car. I'm just washing it. Like, what? But it's probably like a real car enthusiast type thing. I'm probably not suited for that. Oh, shit. Almost fucked up. But yeah, leave a comment down below how you guys dry your car. I'm curious to see. I've always just been like horizontal, if I'm honest with you. Probably the wrong way to do it, but I've always been a horizontal type of guy myself. But yeah, and do you dry your windows and glass first, or do you dry the car first, like the body? That'd be interesting to see. Alright guys, so this is how it's looking like right now. Not the best. I'll probably add one more piece up here just so I can make sure it holds, and maybe like a small piece here. Because I ain't letting this shit fly off, bro. That should be costing real money, bro. Real money. But yeah, let me go ahead and finish this real quick. Alright guys, let me lock my phone. So we fully have the carbon piece with 3M tape. I am so fucking stupid actually, now that I think about it. I maybe should have put the 3M tape on the windshield or the mirror cap so I can just bloop. But I just thought about it right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that for this second piece, and then we'll go ahead and install it. I probably won't show the install because it's too dark outside, but we'll install it and then I'll show the after product. I'll see you guys in a bit. Bam! Alright guys, so here's the final result. I pray to God, honestly, it's not too bad. I didn't expect anything crazy. I really don't like this little piece though, this little gap. But for what I paid for, not too bad. For real, for real. Fitment's kind of boof, not gonna lie. But not too bad, not too bad. While you're cleaning too. I just finished eating, so I'll finish eating and then be done. But not too bad, not too bad.